What if you could control a single light for multiple colors wirelessly with just a tap on your phone? Welcome to the world of IoT, where a tiny ESP32 becomes your smart light controller. In this project, we will build a web server that controls an RGB LED using the ESP32. No app, no Bluetooth, just Wi-Fi and your browser. To bring this project to life, you will need one ESP32 board, one RGB LED, common cathode, 3 resistor 220 ohm, breadboard, jumper wires, one micro USB cable. Let's wire it up. Take the USB board and the breadboard. Insert the RGB LED in the breadboard. Connect its common cathode long lead to the GND of USB module. Now connect red pin of RGB LED to GPIO 25 via 220 ohm resistor. Green pin to GPIO 26 via 220 ohm resistor. And blue pin to GPIO 27 via 220 ohm resistor. Double check the wiring according to the circuit diagram before proceeding. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code file if you have already downloaded the Arduino IDE, otherwise download the Arduino IDE first. We start by including the Wi-Fi and web server libraries. This allows our ESP32 to connect to the internet and act like a mini website host. Replace your underscore SSID and your underscore password with your actual Wi-Fi name and password. This is how your ESP32 connects to the internet. We define the GPIO pins where the RGB LEDs red, green, blue legs are connected. The lines start a web server on port 80, the default for web pages. This function takes red, green and blue brightness values from 0 to 255 and writes them to PWM channel using LED C write function, giving us smooth fading control over each color. Here we design the web interface using raw HTML inside the Arduino sketch. It includes style buttons for red, green, blue and off. Each button sends a different URL like shown to change the color. This function receives the RGB values from the URL, applies them to the LED and then redirects back to the main page. We start the serial monitor and connect to the Wi-Fi. We wait until the ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi. The dots help you see the progress. Once connected, it prints the IP address. Open this IP in your browser to access the RGB controller. We get 3 PWM channels, one for each color. This lets us smoothly control brightness using LED C write function. We tell the server how to respond when user visits or color, and then we start the web server. Finally, in the loop, we call server.handleClient function continuously, which keeps the server running and ready for incoming request. Now we will upload the code to the ESP32. Plug your ESP32 into the computer using the USB cable. Select the correct board ESP32 dev module. Then go to the tools, select port and select port where your ESP32 is connected. As for example, COM4, etc. Make sure to replace the Wi-Fi name and password here. Now click the upload button, the right facing arrow. If you see connecting and dots appear, just hold down the boot button until it starts uploading. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 115 You will see message like connecting to Wi-Fi and then Wi-Fi connected. IP address will be mentioned. Note down the IP address. This is how you will access the LED controller in your browser. Open your device browser and type the IP address in the address bar. You will see a beautiful interface with button to turn red, green, blue on or off. Tap each button and see your RGB LED respond instantly. You have now built a wireless RGB LED controller using an ESP32 and basic web server. Is not that awesome? You just made your own IoT RGB light controller from scratch. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing DIY electronics projects from Roboarmy. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We love helping out.